Hey everyone, welcome to Swift in 60. Today we're exploring generics, Swift's way to write reusable type-safe code that works with any type. So generics allow us to write flexible functions and types that can handle different data types, making code reusable and type-safe. Here's an example of a generic function. T is a placeholder type that can represent any type of data, so we can pass in strings, numbers, or any other types. To use a generic function, call it like any other function. Swift automatically infers the type. Here, T adapts to the type of data we pass in, so print item can handle both string and int. Generics can be used in custom types too. Use a generic pair struct that holds two values of any type. Pair struct accepts any types for T and U, so we can create combinations of different types like string and int. Sometimes we need to restrict the types that generics accept. Use where clauses to add type constraints. Quick recap, generic makes code reusable by handling different types, while constraints let us limit those types based on requirements. And that's it for generics. They're powerful for writing type-safe, reusable code. Thanks for watching Swift in 60.